Is Twitch down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Twitch right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So I already went on Twitter and searched for Twitch down. And then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that many people are commenting non-stop that they have problems with Twitch right now. M. Duffy says, well, think Twitch is down, can't get access to my account. Twitch down, Noah Lumina says. Mr. Live says, Twitch is down, so you are not the only one who has problems with Twitch right now. So you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. You are not the only one. The problem, it's not from you, it's from them. This is the error that people are getting, error while loading followed channels. Please try again. So you are not able to follow channels. You can't do any lives. And like I said, you just have to wait. But if you still want to try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out, and then log in again and see if it works. But if it doesn't, I'm sure that they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Twitch right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.